Causes of separation of East Pakistan. ईस्ट पाकिस्तान की अलहदगी की कहीं पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक और सोशल फैक्टर्स का नतीजा थी। 1971 में ईस्ट पाकिस्तान के अवाम को मुसलसल सियासी नज़रअंदाजी, इकोनॉमिक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन और नुमाइंदगी की कमी का सामना रहा। हालांकि वो पॉपुलेशन में अक्सरियत रखते थे। लैंग्वेज का मसला, खास तौर पर उर्दू के नफाज ने बंगाली अवाम में बेचैनी पैदा की। 1970 के इंतखाबात के बाद जिनमें अवामी लीग ने वाज़े अक्सरियत हासिल की, इक़्तिदार मुंतकिल न करने से हालात मज़ीद ख़राब हो गए। मार्च 1971 में फौजी कार्रवाई और भारत की मुदाखलत के नतीजे में बिल आखिर बांग्लादेश कायम हुआ। इस टॉपिक का पहला MCQ है, The main political party representing East Pakistan in 1970 elections was. Answer है C. Awami League. The leader of the Awami League was. Answer है B. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The 6 points of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman primarily demanded. Answer है B. Provincial autonomy. The 1970 general elections were held during the regime of. Answer है B. Yahya Khan. Awami League won how many National Assembly seats in 1970 elections? Answer is C. 167. The delay in the transfer of power after the 1970 elections was mainly due to. Answer is C. Disagreement between East and West leaders. The capital of Pakistan before 1971 was. Answer है B. Islamabad. The language issue began with the declaration of Desh as the national language. Answer है B. Urdu. The Bengali language movement started in. Answer है C. 1952. The economic disparity between East and West Pakistan mainly favored. Answer है B. West Pakistan. Which operation was launched by Pakistan Army in East Pakistan in March 1971? Answer है B. Operation Searchlight. The distance between East and West Pakistan was approximately. Answer है D. 1200 miles. The major foreign supporter of East Pakistan during 1971 was. Answer है C. India. The Mukti Bahini was. Answer है B. Guerrilla Force. The Shimla Agreement was signed in. Answer है C. 1972. The first constitution of Pakistan was enforced in. Answer है B. 1956. Which constitution introduced presidential system? Answer है B. 1962. One unit system was introduced in. Answer है A. 1955. The one unit system mainly affected. Answer है C. East Pakistan. The main grievance of East Pakistan was. Answer है B. Political and economic deprivation. The majority population of Pakistan before 1971 lived in. Answer है B. East Pakistan. The legal framework order LFO was issued by. Answer है B. Yahya Khan. The Awami League demanded how many points? Answer है C. 6. The first martial law in Pakistan was imposed in. Answer है B. 1958. Sheikh Mujib was arrested in. Answer है B. March 1971. The Indo-Pak War of 1971 lasted for. Answer है C. 13 days. The surrender of Pakistani forces took place on. Answer है B. 16 December 1971. The commander of Pakistani forces in East Pakistan was. Answer है C. General Amir Abdullah Khan Niazi. The number of Pakistani soldiers who surrendered was approximately, answer is C, 90,000. The capital of East Pakistan was, answer is B, Dhaka. The main cultural difference between East and West Pakistan was B, language. The economic policies of Ayub Khan mainly benefited, answer here B, West Pakistan. The term 22 families refers to C, industrial elite. The Agartala conspiracy case was against, answer here B, Mujibur. The Agartala case was withdrawn in, answer here B, 1969. The main reason for military action in March 1971 was B, political deadlock. The cyclone of 1970 affected, answer here B, East Pakistan. The failure to respond effectively to the 1970 cyclone caused C, resentment in East Pakistan. India recognized Bangladesh in B, December 1971. The role of media in 1971 crisis was C, influential in shaping opinion. The main constitutional crisis arose after C, 1970 elections. The delay in National Assembly session was announced on A, 1st March 1971. The postponement led to B, protests in East Pakistan. The main slogan of Awami League was B, 6 points. The separation resulted in the creation of, answer is C, Bangladesh. The main administrative problem between two wings was B, distance. The majority in National Assembly was held by, answer is B, Awami League. The refusal to accept election results led to, answer is B, civil war. The major cause of separation was, answer is B, political injustice. Last one है, the final outcome of 1971 crisis was, answer is B, division of Pakistan.